Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Let's review this induction wok pan cooktop.
This induction wok pan cooktop is made from premium, food-grade material for safe cooking. This cooktop is safer and efficient than traditional gas stoves and electric hot plates or electric ranges, offering rapid heat up and faster cooking times without open flames or hot coils. This induction burner is easy to select from 16 convenient power settings and 16 temperature level settings. Features button switch, press on, press off, and knob switch. The knob allows for quick adjustment of levels. Equipped with twin cooling fans and multi-vent design to quickly dissipate heat, protect internal components, and extend your cooktop lifespan. It works with both flat bottom pans up to 9-inch and round bottom pots up to 13.4-inch. Works with stainless steel, cast iron, or enamel cast iron. No magnetic cookware, such glass, aluminum, or copper, can generate the necessary heat. This induction wok burner offers stable heating without cycles or pulses from low power to high power, prevents food from burning, letting you cook anything from stir fry to soup. I love the concave groove for stable placement and uniform heat distribution. It covers more surface and heats faster. When the pan is removed from the surface, the induction burner automatically stops working with great, safe, automatic off protection. This cooktop has 18 hours timer function. Depending what you're cooking, what you're preparing, this wok induction hot plate can meet your needs.
It's very cold at the bottom, so you can always move it. I'm not touching that part, just in case. I love how the pot itself, swimming on it, it has the round bottom. Very easy to maneuver, very easy to cook on. The temperature changes so fast. It's continuous heating. It doesn't go up and down in temperature, it just stays. And when you adjust the temperature, it adjusts so fast. I love this experience.
There is a year-long manufacturer warranty and lifetime free customer service. Cook-down protocol tells that post-cooking, give your cooktop 2-minute breather to cool down with the fan before turning off the power. After it's cooled down after cooking, just use a damp cloth to gently wipe the surface. The smooth black crystal panel makes cleaning up fast and
It's such an
effortless.
easy clean, such an easy cook. I love cooking with it. My son started enjoying camping, so I think it will be awesome to take on a camp. It's super easy to use at home, super easy to clean. It's cooling down so fast. I love it. I never used one of those. My son into cooking, so hopefully he will start recording his creations. It was the fastest cooking I ever did. So easy to clean, you just wipe it all around because the pot is round, so it doesn't spray around, even though on a big temperature it was bubbling so fast. I loved how fast it's heating up, and also it's been like less than 10 minutes. It's barely warm, it's cooling off really fast, and it has the fan built in, so it's really not hot over here. So I was moving throughout while recording the video, holding it like this. The pot is such an easy wash off, great quality. That's my new favorite. Let me introduce you to my new favorite. I do recommend it.